control panel is the main control center of your Windows 10 computer. What if the control panel starts to go unresponsive on your PC? Don't worry. We are going to demonstrate how to solve this issue with simple steps. Method 1. Disable particular policy. Press the Windows key plus R, type in pdit.msc in Run box. Click OK once you see that the local group policy editor window has appeared on your screen. Go to the following path. On the right-hand side, double-click on the Prohibit Access to Control panel in PC Settings. In the window, select Not Configured. Now, click on Apply and then click on OK. After doing this, close the local group window. Then restart your PC and check if this fix works or not. Method 2. Alternative Control Panel Access. Go to your desktop on your computer. Right-click on New greater than and then click on Folder. After this, set the name of the folder as. Now, double-click on the created folder. Here you will notice a list of options that are available in the control panel. You can access them just like the way you do in the control panel. Method 3. Try opening control panel via appwiz.cpl. Open this PC. Go to the following path. Now, search appwiz.cpl. Click on it to open appwiz.cpl. Now, click on Control Panel from its address bar. Method 4. Delete particular registry. Press the Windows key plus R, type in Registry in Run box. Click OK when the registry editor opens up. Go to the following path. Now, right-click on the Bagmaru key header and then click on Delete. Similarly, you have to right-click on the Bags key and then click on Delete. After deleting these key headers, you need to restart your computer. Method 5. Check if the software protection service is running. Press the Windows key plus R, type in services.msc in Run box. Click OK. When you see the Services window, look for the Software Protection service. You have to double-click on it to access it. After that, click on Start to start the service. Finally, click on Apply and OK. Try to access the control panel again.